Drago Gang, man. Welcome back to my channel. I can see the title of that thunder. What's going on today? We're going to a bonfire party. We actually got two parties. Bonfire we supposed to go to, but I'm not sure we're going to go to both of them. But we don't know, man. We're going to see, man. We're going to see how the night go, man. Got my lady with me, you feel me? We're going to see. I already went to the liquor store. Got my bottle, man. Got my cup. I don't know how this shit go. They got to get some ice for these motherfuckers. Then, yeah, man, we're gonna turn up. So, yeah, I just rock me the whole video. Let go. All right, y'all, man, we just pulled up to it, man. You feel me? Like, bright as hell. But, yeah, man, we just pulled up here real quick. I'm gonna fix me a cup first. Crack my bottle open. Then we finna walk in there. I'm show y'all some vibes. You feel me? So, yeah, y'all just ride with me. As I can see what I got, man. We never had to try it. Type of shit, you feel me? Ooh, that Fred crack, too. Strong, you can smell it. Okay, let that razzle, let that sizzle a little dizzle. Gotta chase with the Red Bull, motherfucker. It's only right. I didn't fill that cup up. It's gonna be a drunk night. Oh yeah. Put too much looking in, man. We're gonna top it out though. Yeah, voila. See y'all in a minute. All right, man, we check it out, man. Let's walk over here. I know y'all can hear the music. But I'm gonna turn the camera around and show y'all what's going on. Come on, man. Let me get back with y'all. Oh, now, walk. Y'all, we gotta go back to the car. Somebody left the bar in the car. So I let the bar in the car, man. Go back to the car. But I can see what's going on, man. What the vibe like, man. Finna turn up, no cap, man. Get back with y'all in a minute.
Oh, hey, don't look at it, just drink it. Oh yeah, we finna get started.
So you got hair on. Man, ain't that enough? Ooh, shit, that been full. Stupid ass. You wanna go get a friend? You think it's like chill or not, and if I get the pussy, can I feel or no? You know that, blah 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 blah. Bass right, bass right. Now you heard the bass right. Y'all already drunk. Y'all already drunk. Y'all, every nigga. I mean, that makes time too. That wasn't with man. Don't keep on that free shit. He's drunk. I'ma have his ass. I'ma have his ass. This nigga drunk. He dropping the bottle. He dropping the bottle. He got that in there. He got that in there. It's empty. Got me 2 pounds, y'all. Nigga here, boy. Pouch, liquor, cup, yeah.
He don't know what he doing. He don't know what he doing. Gotta get the people that know what they're doing. Gotta get the people that know what they're doing. He don't know what he's doing. He don't know what he's doing.
It's that boy's birthday, man. Tell the nigga, take a shot, nigga. Take a shot. That boy drinking 93. That boy drinking 93. Somebody grab it. Somebody grab it. Somebody grab it. I know Carl gonna grab that bitch first. Pat that motherfucker on, man. Oh, he's scared. He's scared. He's scared. Goddamn fish, ain't it? We got the fish cooking in here. They got the chicken going, man. Look, hey, yo, got him a plate. Fat ass nigga. Man, tell why the nigga been running all night, bro.
He been race on real.
We gotta come find this nigga. Everywhere we go, we gotta go find this nigga. We gotta find this man every time, bro.
Gone no fucking way. I know where you gone. Like you think they put it on the news or something.
We got head girl, we got drink code.
It got me weak. Fresh up out the shower, she look good enough to eat. It look pussy got some tricks with my dick when it squeeze. Who the thickest be the best? Got my feelings to my knees. Say she ain't gon' fuck on nobody if it ain't me. At least that's what she tell me. You know how these hoes be. Do my pussy fat, don't give a fuck if she lies. Do my pussy call, she get some from me every time. This gotta be look my
Take a nut, motherfucker. Take a nut. Take a nut. As hell. Take a nut. Pat that motherfucker back to his ass. Take a nut. It's an all-night flight, man. We don't get time, man.
It's your birthday. We trying to get your birthday.
How here, Keith? How here? He ain't no 50. He ain't near 50. Take a shot, nigga.
AO-47. AO-47.
He lying, that boy. How you in there?
32, goddamn. 32. It's that 32nd birthday.
Now you take one. You gotta turn to a goddamn shark. Drinking like that.
Your secret.
This scared ass nigga wanna pull a late at night. He's scared to drink tonight, man.
I need to take a sip, bro.
He said he took a sip. Take a shot. Stop all that yawning over here. No, man, no. He want to take another one. Take a shot of that, nigga.
that nigga lying.
He's scared. He's trying like he booed up on the phone, y'all. That nigga scared. Let's do it. We years old, caught up in this street life. Man, that nigga be drunk as hell tonight. We going all night. It's an all night flight. We trying to make the next plan, y'all. We out here arguing and fussing and shit, trying to make the next plan going.
I can go where I want.
He lying. He over there lying and shit. We trying to make some plans, man. We gonna keep going with this shit all night. His birthday. So we trying to keep going all night, man. No cap. Hey, y'all, we finna leave this motherfucker. They over there fussing. They over there fussing, y'all. We finna leave this motherfucker on no cap, man. We finna leave this bitch, go to another club type shit. And keep turning up all night. What the? You lost some fucking keys, fool.
I ain't never lost some motherfucking key. That nigga lost.
Now my brother mad. So yeah, man, I'm finna keep y'all going with the vlog and shit. I'm finna go to another spot and I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get to that other spot. We pull up to the new spot and we got Max in the hole, man. No count, nigga.
What we drinking on?
Take that shot. Kill that bitch. Fuck it. Oh, you trying like that tonight? You trying like that tonight?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Fuck it, let's do it then. I'm finna come in that hole. Let's turn up then. We can't be having this right here, man. We can't be having this right here. Look at him trying to tell boy to get up, cause I'm recording. What's that knockdown? You can't be too hype in video, dude. Then I'm finna go over here. See this over here. Cause Wiley is you.
So Dre ain't did thee.
Tell who?
Dre ain't did thee.
Get in free.
The hookah house. Yeah. How you go to the hookah house? You sleep, fool?
Hey, duck go to the big duck go that be by itself. And eat first.
Man,
God
you say God got you fucked up.
Why God got you fucked up?
Man, that big gave me all kind of
I need another pouch. I'm finna get another pouch. We still drinking. He done for.
Bro, get back, man.
Look at him.
Get back.
You just said it because you drunk.
Get back, man. Let bro shake back, man.
Get it shook back. No, I just want one. You gonna give me both of them? I bet. Come on, man. This shit on the floor. I mean,
Nigga, get
I thought
back,
I told
nigga.
you niggas.
This old folks shit.
Man, this y'all old ass peoples.
I know y'all.
Hey, y'all. Okay, y'all, we didn't go in because my people were drunk as hell. So we ain't go in. You feel me? I want to go in, but they drunk as hell, so we ain't go in. It's my boy's birthday, my brother's birthday, so we was going to go in and turn up with him. But shit, he fucked up. So we ended up not going in. So this, and as y'all can see, I bought me 2 more pouches. Cause I don't get tired. Anyway, yeah, we ain't get out on the last spot. Motherfucker look good. I'm gonna eat the fuck out of that bitch.
It's not yours.
Shit. Hey man, if y'all made it to the end of the video, man, I hope y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. I'm finna dip. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing after this, but I'm gonna go. If I don't get back with y'all, the end of the video. Bye.